Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 BMW 3 Series. So first of all, we need to go into settings. It's already come up there, but Bluetooth is what you want. So Bluetooth, right down to the bottom, over to here, click telephone, just there. Bluetooth menu on that, and then you've got add device, so add new device. So click on that. Click on BMW there, you've got the spinning baseball, Bluetooth pairing request, compare this number with the number displayed on the Bluetooth device. Yes, that's the one, so click OK and click pair there. Allow contacts and favorites to sync, allow. Normally you'll see the navigation come up here. Once that's done, you know it's paired. That's it. It's connected on the actual device. You'll see there's a tick next to telephone and a tick next to audio. So if I click OK like so, and the audio one is quite important if you want to stream music. Let's just go to the top, see if it's showing anywhere. There you go, BMW connected. So that's it, all done.